আপনারা দেখছেন এজিটি লাইভ 24/7। आप देख रहे हैं एजीटी लाइव 24/7।
You are watching AGT Live 24/7.
Today's regional dialogue reflects the true essence of cooperative literacy. The objective of today's workshop is to bring
Good morning to all of you present over here on dais and off dais. This program of this third regional workshop on under State Transport Mission Niti Aayog. We have with us on dais Sri Rohit Kumar, not on dais virtually. We have with us Sri Rohit Kumar, Additional Secretary and Program Director, Niti Aayog. He has already spoken so many things towards this workshop. I am thankful to him. So many suggestions also he has given. We have with us our Chief Secretary of Tripura, Sri J.K. Sinha, Sri K.S. Regimum, Mission Director, Joint Secretary, State Support Mission, Niti Aayog. Then we have Sri Rajshekhar Joshi ji, Vice Chairperson, Setu Aayog, Government of Uttarakhand. The way he has praised our Tripura, really I welcome him. That on behalf of Tripura, he has already invited you to visit all the important places of Tripura. We have with us Dr. N. Vijay Lakshmi, Additional Chief Secretary of Bihar, Sri K. Shantil Kumar, Additional Chief Secretary of Bihar, then distinguished guests and dignitaries from 16 states and various UN agencies, officials from Government of Tripura, distinguished guests and media friends. Immense pleasure and a deep sense of pride to welcome you all to Agartala, the capital city of Tripura, for this third regional workshop under the State Support Mission of Niti Aayog. Your presence here representing the eastern and northeastern states and union territories that transformed this gathering from a formal workshop into a collective national dialogue on the future of state-led transformation in India. I extend my warm greetings to all distinguished participants, policymakers, administrators, experts, and development partners who have joined us today. This workshop seeks to promote the foundational ideals of good governance like transparency, then accountability, efficiency, responsiveness, and citizen-centric administration. Governance, after all, is not merely about institutions or procedures. It is fundamentally about improving the quality of life for every citizen and ensuring the development reaches the last mile, as our Honorable Prime Minister used to say. The State Support Mission represents a defining evolution in India's federal governance architecture. It underscores a partnership-based model of center-state collaboration, recognizing that states are not merely implementing agencies but equal partners in shaping India's development journey. Through the State Support Mission, Niti Aayog has empowered states to strengthen their state institutions for transformation institutions that support policy design, outcome monitoring, and inter-sectoral convergence. The mission acknowledges that sustainable socio-economic transformation is rooted in strong institutions, and it helps align the long-term visions of state with the national aspiration of Vikashita Bharat 2047. Today, states and union territories are at varying stages of development of the State Institute of Transformation, reflecting diverse convergence and socio-economic contexts. Recognizing this diversity, Niti Aayog has conceptualized regional workshops as platform for peer learning, cross-fertilization of ideas, and collaborative problem solving. The decision to host the third regional workshop for eastern and northeastern states in Tripura reflects Niti Aayog's confidence in the region's growing policy capacity and in Tripura's readiness to contribute meaningfully to the national reform discourse. Over the past few years, Tripura has concisely placed good governance and institutional reform at the heart of its development strategy. We have learned that fragmented interventions deliver limited outcomes, that personality-driven reforms lack sustainability, and that transformation must be institutionalized, future-oriented and data-driven. With this conviction, the Good Governance Department was established in August 2023 as a dedicated anchor for reforms. Truly speaking, I didn't have any idea about this TIFT when it was to be started. Just I was trying to learning what is mean for this TIFT. Now I realized that what it is meant. So TIFT integrates research, innovation, stakeholder engagement, and long-term planning in alignment with national priorities. As already my previous speakers already have mentioned that this TIFT in December 2023, it was established, and it is really a think tank and strategic resource for Tripura. I am proud to share that Niti Aayog has recognized this TIFT as one of the 7 front-runner state institutions in this country.
ये न्यूज कंटेंट देखने के लिए शुक्रिया। अगर आपका कोई सुझाव है तो हमें कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए AGT Live 24/7।
Thanks for watching AGT Live 24/7.